wasn't funny the first time.
It wasn't supposed to be fun.
That'll be great on the video.
Sorry.
I'm gonna watch this video just to see what goes on.
You're probably not even gonna hear it.
Yeah, you will.
Just realize.
You're sitting like 5 feet away from
Yeah.
the microphone.
Olivia, look at big head.
Oh.
I forgot how to do this.
I'm glad Anna sits behind me. She doesn't complain.
What do we do on Wednesday?
What do you think you're doing on 1 and 2? The only thing you can do
Solve for X.
solve for X.
And I forgot.
I just want to start flying.
What X values make the factor 0?
Oh yeah, that was always fun. Like negative 3, positive 5.
No, we're gonna wait for him.
Like this is always a classic.
Okay, does anybody want to volunteer to start, and then maybe we'll go counterclockwise, starting with Grant.
Well, you're gonna take a hot minute for mine.
So you could have taken number 1. That's the easy one.
I forgot it.
I don't know how to do that.
I was gonna.
Unless you
I
forgot
took
it.
it so I didn't have to do
I
the next
forgot.
one.
Hope you got number 2.
I forgot.
Okay, Grant, what's number 1?
It was on the
Negative
thin one.
3 and positive 5.
Yeah.
Oh.
Wait.
Oh.
Oh, it's just the opposite.
Yeah.
Can I take
it's
number
called
2?
solving for X.
I have it.
Please.
Very
I
simple.
knew that.
Okay, number 2 is a little bit harder actually, so you might not know.
Yeah, I don't
Okay.
want it anymore.
Hope
I got only 0.
0.
Negative 5. And negative 1/3.
Positive.
Positive 1 then?
Yeah.
Yes, queen.
Wait, where's the
If this
third?
was x minus 1, the answer would have been positive 1, right?
Yeah.
So it's positive 1/3. So if there's an x that's taken out in front, 0 would work as an answer.
Oh.
Negative 5 and 1/3.
Kind of stupid.
I kind of forgot like that's what you do. I thought you had to like.
Well, just remember tomorrow.
Yeah,
If
sure.
you remember, yeah. Hopefully those are the easy ones.
I don't learn anything until it's the day before the test. So, yeah.
I'm pretty sure you knew this at one point.
Yeah, I did.
Or probably 2 or 3 points you knew
Yeah.
this, but just make sure you do it by bar. Okay, you guys done?
Yeah.
Okay, 3, 4, 5. I don't think fit 6 in there. Solve by factoring.
Oh no.
Which one's factoring? I can't remember.
Yeah.
Is it like
Poor girls.
No, seriously.
I'm getting a call on the Apple Watch.
Well, don't
It's
answer
this,
that.
no,
Yeah,
the same number has called me like
Cannot answer it.
over like so many times.
What color do you guys want me to use?
Purple.
Let's do
Black.
Purple.
Every time I ask that, somebody says purple.
I just
do
want
red.
black.
Ew,
It's like
purple.
chicken
Oh,
red.
that's factoring. Okay.
Wait. So then.
Or Coke. Coke's red. Or is that
What color do you guys think this is?
Red.
That's
Chick-fil-A.
It's the closest I could get to pink.
Oh, that's kind of sad.
That was a.
I bet I could get closer.
It's a weird brag.
It's making my eyes hurt focusing on it because there's so much stuff in my eyes.
That sucks. This is gonna be an amazing video to watch. Or have you said.
So far, it's very slow
Definitely.
progress.
My old friend was trying to find these videos and couldn't find them. Well, he
Yeah,
found
kinda
them,
hard to
but
find.
he was trying to find one where I talked in it.
With Mr. Computer being so popular.
Well,
must
send him
be
this
easy to
one.
find.
I'm subscribed
Yeah.
to.
Yeah.
You should be like, hi, whatever the name is.
No.
Guys, if we all subscribe to Mr.
Hi, Jerry.
Jerry.
No.
Literally.
Hi, Timmy.
Like I talked about you in my math class. I
Guys,
think it's on video.
It's on video.
girls, factor.
I forgot.
I don't know how to do
What?
this.
Okay, we'll do one.
Oh,
and then-
I'll do
I
it.
remember. Wait, think I know.
I wrote
Come on,
something.
Can I
wrote
try
season
it?
one.
Can I try it?
I wrote something.
Number 3.
Can I try to
Alright.
see?
Can I do it, please?
You
You
s-
said please. You said please.
No.
May I please?
Yeah, let's go.
But
Okay,
I said
so
something about doing it first.
It's x in the front, and then it's plus 7 minus 2.
Yeah, what multiplies into
Wait,
negative 14 that can add up to 5?
Big number.
Let's go.
7
Olivia,
and
did
negative
you
2.
get that wrong?
Yeah.
I'm already.
I got that way wrong.
Aren't you glad I asked well enough? Alright,
Yeah.
What'd you get?
that's not the answer
Stop.
though. What's the answer?
Yay.
Yeah.
And you could plug those in and see that
I
they
forgot to
work.
do that.
Oh my
part.
gosh, it finally just clicked for me.
What?
I finally get it now.
The factoring part?
Yeah.
Oh.
Oh
I mean,
my
I got
gosh.
it yesterday
Your
night
brain
and I was
starts
studying for the
thinking.
test.
Wait, so
I forgot to
X-
do it, but I understand it.
Okay.
I still am like,
The factoring we learned in chapter 10. This is chapter 12.
You said must be. So it's just like you.
Why do you
Oh.
need that?
Wait,
Why?
I'm confused.
What is that?
Ew, what is that?
Don't touch it.
That's like
Don't wash your
hair.
hands. Hashtag-
Ew! What the heck?
It's likely dust. Yeah.
Ooh, Mr. Jordan,
When was the last
It's
time
not
you
gonna
touched
kill
those?
you. Yeah.
I low-key facts have a
It
question.
tastes like sand.
How
facts,
often
though.
did you clean
Like,
those?
that's a good answer.
I
Thank you
bet
for
you're
helping
one of
me.
these people.
Is
Thank
it
you
hurt
so much for
actually?
helping me,
Yeah.
Mr. Jordan. That really helped.
Whose are they? How did they get here?
One of the other teachers.
Mr. Jordan,
They're like 10 years
on
old.
number
It's a
3,
relic. It's all
what did you mean by it can go into 5? Because 5 can't go into 14.
They don't. They multiply into 14.
They add together.
They add up to 5.
7, 6, 5, because that's a negative, so you put it
7
together.
plus negative 2.
I thought you said it clicked.
Not going to.
Well, it didn't. It unclicked when I figured out that it didn't time.
7 times negative 2 is negative 14,
That shit is the bomb.
right?
Yeah.
And 7 plus negative 2
But
is
actually,
5.
what would you do?
7, 6, 5. You're just gonna do 7 minus 2.
Or-
Wait, but I'm confused on number 4 then. Because, like,
Okay, there's not a lot of things that multiply into negative 5.
Yeah, it's only 1 and 5. That's all.
the 5 times 5.
And so it's a negative 4. So a negative 5 and a 1.
leave it.
But so
Because
like
then
positive
negative
5
5
and
and
negative
a 1, it makes it a negative 4.
Okay, I'm gonna.
Okay, Will, did you get number 4?
Yeah.
I did too.
It's your mom.
Okay, or not, sorry, not Will.
Oh,
Anna,
dang it.
Oh.
you already did one.
I think I knew the number 5.
No, we're gonna go kind of clockwise, I think. Will, what did this factor?
You mean Anna?
Say it again. Anna, what did this factor to?
It was negative 1 and 1.
Right.
You're so smart. We all have their arguments.
Okay,
Can I use the restroom?
number 5, Shannon, what is that factor?
I'm using the restroom.
You don't, does that mean you don't know?
I just
I
asked if I
can-
could use the restroom before you even called on me.
Can I
Yeah, and
try
I
it?
asked you a question.
I think
Yeah,
I
after I said it.
Mr. Jordan.
Eli, what is 5 factor to?
X plus 3 squared.
X plus 3,
X plus
X plus 3.
did. I did this one right.
Because 3 and 3 multiply to 9. Olivia. 3 and 3 multiply to 9,
Yeah.
and they add up to 6.
Yeah, I got the. I was right on that. I just wanted to do it because I knew that I was right.
Yeah, I knew that one.
It's negative 3 and negative 3.
Okay, 6 is a little bit
Or,
different.
Just next to
Is it just negative 3?
yeah, because it's the same
Yeah,
thing. Negative
because-
3, negative 3. So why put it twice?
Negative 3,
The
negative 3.
tissue.
Well, they both
It's
look
a
like
tissue.
10.
There's like paper towels.
Hashtag the bomb.
So it's like
Oh, I'm
18
confused on
words.
this one. This one's weird.
I don't like
Oh, wait. That seems easier.
Oh.
Think.
25 times.
Think. Yes,
No way.
I'm not gonna get a 60 on the test anymore. I hope.
Be happy if you get a B. That'd be good.
Yeah, I'll be happy if I get a B, like a low
These
B.
people are so cool.
They are?
Grant, you'll probably get an A.
No, I won't.
Grant,
you're
you're
gonna
gonna
get a
get an
100.
A.
Oh, I do not.
And I'll probably get an A.
You overestimate my test grades.
No, I don't. I really don't.
Wait, what did
He
you
gets
say?
a lot of A's, but not 100%. Okay.
Do
Wait,
it
wait,
good.
wait. Oh, we're at E7,
Can I do 7?
E7. What do we do on 6?
I forgot how to do six.
Yeah.
Anybody else? Okay, Kate.
Isn't it? Oh,
It's the square minus the square.
No, it's not a minus and it's not a square.
Oh, shoot. Oh, take stuff out?
Take stuff out. What can we take out?
X.
What's left after we take an X out?
Just x plus 6. So it'd be 0 and then negative 6.
I didn't realize we're so rusty on factoring.
Well,
Yeah, my
I
brain
got
just kinda
that.
left.
Or maybe you never got that good in the first place.
Same.
I walked in and
Yeah.
my brain left me.
Like,
How many questions?
There was
I can have a brain fart.
take stuff out, square minus a square, 3-term factoring. We've done a lot of 3-term factoring.
I just see that there's 2 of them and I'm like, oh, it's going to square.
Okay, floating, scrolling. I don't think I put the next one in there.
Shannon, do the next one.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll do it. It's 5. No, it's not.
Wait, it's not?
It's not?
It's not?
It's plus or minus 5.
Oh, plus or minus 5. Whatever,
Guys,
same
I'm
thing.
trolls.
Oh
You
my
guys
god.
don't get it right.
Okay, when you use the square root trick,
Oh, that's how I'm
you have to use plus or minus. Because what's negative 5 squared?
Oh my gosh.
I'm literally gonna get off just
5 to
because of
25. So yeah, if you don't put plus or minus, you don't put plus or minus, you get half, or you get 2 points off.
I'm so
Technically, I was right.
How do you know when to do the plus or minus?
Okay, some problems can be done more than one way. But basically, if you have a problem where you can get x squared by itself, well, something like this. If you can get x squared by itself, you can set it up like this and do square root of both sides. But if it's more like this, you can't just get x squared by itself. So this would be
Why not?
because there's a 2x also. So this only has an x squared term, so you just get x squared by itself on both sides. This has an x squared and an x term, so you have to factor. But if you can't get x squared by itself because there's an x over here, so square rooting both sides is not going to do anything good.
So there can only be one X.
Yeah. If there's just an x squared, you can do it. You can make it look like this.
So what about when it's on the quadratic formula? Is that like the same thing?
Quadratic formula, be quiet.
I don't know what I'm talking about.
On quadratic formula, it could work on anything as long as it's set up, as long as you figure out what your A, B, and C are. Quadratic formula can be used on any quadratic equation.
Measure Jordan. How many questions are there?
Like 14 or something like that.
Oh
That
no.
is
I'm gonna fail this.
I'll go with that.
Number 8. This one's a tricky one.
I have a question.
There's only
Why do your shoes have gills?
Okay, no one has time for your jokes.
It's not a joke,
Okay.
that's a legitimate
E
question.
said, you know what to do on number 8.
Square root both sides.
Okay, you square root both sides to get rid of the square.
X minus 7.
Okay, it's actually plus or minus 7.
Oh my gosh. Seriously.
Yes. Because of the trick we just talked about.
So if we forget to put the plus or minus on the things,
How many
Okay.
points is it?
2.
It's worth 2.
Yep.
no.
Plus or minus, that's half the answer.
But okay.
Okay, but here, look at this.
I'm taking this grade
Look,
for your test.
If this is 49, what does this have to be?
7.
7.
7.
If this is 49,
Yeah.
what does this have to be?
7.
Did it not just say
7 squared is 49, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, just what it said 7.
Okay, but also negative 7 squared is also 49. So, anyways. So basically, x minus 4 has to be 7, or x minus 4 has to be negative 7.
Okay.
But that's just thinking about it with some logic. This is how you do it algebraically. You square both sides to get rid of the square. So the left side just becomes x minus 4. The right side becomes 7. But you have to, anytime you use the square root trick, it's plus or minus 7. We only did a couple of these on the homework, but
Oh, is that the answer?
how do I solve this for x?
You
Plus 4.
Plus 4.
Issa, the one time I knew.
It's my problem. It's 11.
Oh.
Well, it's 4 plus or minus 7.
Oh.
So 4 plus 7 is 11, and 4 minus 7 is negative 3.
I'm taking this test grade to the grave with me.
How many questions on this? Or
14, I think.
then 14 on the test?
Yeah, that's pretty close to the test.
Oh my god.
Okay,
You get 2 wrong.
use quadratic formula. So, maybe I should have asked you guys this, but this was the quadratic formula. On number 9, I guess it might be your turn actually, Olivia. What's the A, B, and C on number 9?
2, 3, and 1. Or negative 1. Or wait, is it 2, negative 3, negative 1?
Yeah.
Yeah.
2, negative 3, negative 1. So,
Is it
Negative
just the
4
inside?
times
Oh wait, no, it's not.
8.
negative B.
Issa, it's mine.
No, we're talking about.
I think she was looking at numbers. Negative B would be negative negative 3. So it's positive 3. Plus or minus square root of B squared. Negative 3 squared is 9. Minus 4 times A times C over 2 times A. If I use the calculator on this, I'd probably just use it right here.
Yeah.
Negative 4 times 2 times negative 1 is positive 8. So 9 plus 8 is 17. So it's 3 plus or minus square root of 17
Over 4.
over 4. I'll just put that over here. Uh-oh.
Haha, I'm so good.
You probably did any of that.
Literally stop. Yes, I did. I got the 2, the negative 3, and the negative 1.
I know.
It's true, she got the A, B, and C.
Yeah.
That's it? That's all
What
you
else
did?
did you get?
Stop.
She also concurred that I got it right.
Yeah, he did so well.
She's not even sure. He's the teacher.
What? You get on the wrong on purpose to see to
Stop.
test you.
It's
Are
I'm
you actually the teacher in disguise?
Yes, you all failed.
okay. Number 10, Macy. What is that's like Macy's
What is it?
Macy's noise. Like,
Okay, I don't want to have to go again. That's great.
Is it 4?
4.
Negative 12?
Oh yeah, I'll put it over. Yes. Negative 12
And 9?
and 9. Correct.
Woo!
That's the easy part.
I
That's
should
the
write the equation.
Be quiet.
Well,
No, I'll be shaking. Die.
Okay.
I don't say that
Literally.
much.
Shh. Okay, negative b,
I don't.
girls, hush,
Negative B.
is negative 12, so it's positive 12. Plus or minus square root of b squared, 12 squared, 144 minus 4 times a times c over 2 times a.
Okay, that's about 4.
4 times 9.
Oh, goodness.
This is the good part for the calculator. I think this comes out as,
You did?
has anybody done it yet?
Oh.
I'm kind of doing
Oh,
it.
that's what I did.
Well, this comes out as 144, but what's the whole thing come out to? 0.
Oh.
Yeah.
And what's the square root of 0?
0.
0. So we have 12 plus or minus 0 over
8.
8.
I got it.
And the plus or minus 0 is not doing anything, so it's 12 over 8. What is that?
3 over 2.
Reduce to 3 over 2.
Plus or minus or just 3 over 2?
The plus or minus is on the 0, which does not change anything. So the top is just 12. Plus or minus doesn't do anything if this is 0. Top is 12, bottom is 8.
Yes, puppy bear.
Oh my god.
Isabella,
You're gonna get
be
in trouble.
normal.
You're gonna get in trouble someday, Issa.
I didn't say
Literally.
Suspended.
Okay,
You're
why
gonna
don't you
get
guys
expelled from college.
try 11 and 12 on your own. We'll check them here in a couple minutes.
These are
Oh.
my stress papers that I've been ripping up this whole time because I'm so
Okay, try 11. Try 11.
Ignores you.
literally.
I guess it's just make mistakes now than on the test.
I would like to
Just get it right now and on the test.
I just got it.
drinking.
The leaves on the nose.
But you could be like stupid now. Stupid later.
So, we're using that formula
Yeah.
for.
Yeah, this section is use quadratic formula.
Wait, but okay, sorry.
Okay.
Here's the calculator over here. You want this one?
Yes.
Might be this. It's not much better, you know.
You know, at the time being,
For the time being.
the last night, at the time being, whenever I was laying down in my bed, so you go to bed, it seemed like a good idea because I was studying. Now I'm tired. My school's gonna suck.
I don't even think it's on here.
What?
How did you calculate on anything?
Yeah.
About 2 more minutes. And then we'll go over number 11.
So can I do number 11?
I think we're back to Grant.
I feel like they
Yeah.
may.
Oh, I still haven't done 20
I'm
yet.
so
You
prepared.
got 2 minutes.
All of the mathy
One second.
math stuff.
Yes. Can I borrow your whatever it's called? Calculator.
Wait,
Yeah. Is it on here?
always on to my
Okay,
glasses.
never mind. Say thank you. He just blessed you.
Because I don't feel very blessed.
The the square root.
Ed Sheeran blessed you.
Oh wait,
You should
do
get
it.
on.
I did it wrong. There's no square root on
Who
it.
did he bless by Ed Sheeran?
Square.
Ed Sheeran's like that fat guy
It's
who's
gonna
there.
It's a always gives you a decimal. Oh.
And he, like,
I
he
did it
also did
wrong.
that one.
I'm going to murder
Movie
myself.
on Netflix.
Yes. This is not subjective.
This is
very subjective. No, this is very
Eli.
I think
functional.
it's still the same thing.
Eli, a movie on Netflix stars you.
What?
A movie on Netflix stars Ed Sheeran, aka you.
Oh, that's
Any of it?
Yeah.
That's number
Okay,
11.
Eli, if you
For
wanna
the
watch
movie.
a movie where you are starred in it,
For the
it's
next
called,
And then I can never go back into it.
I
and-
remember getting it.
Pick one of them.
It stars Dwayne The Rock Johnson,
Okay. But like, I don't know if I got that
Ed
number.
Sheeran.
I'm not sure.
what's it called?
Like some Red Notice movie.
Oh yeah, I watched that.
Yeah, you're in it, Eli.
No.
Oh dang,
Ed
wait,
Sheeran.
I did another part wrong.
You are Ed Sheeran.
Oh,
Whether you like it or not.
Ed
Mr.
Sheeran's
Jordan.
British for
Mr.
some
Eli.
Jordan.
Hey, guys, quiet.
You drink tea every day.
Hush.
I'm not even gonna change it.
Because I enjoy TV.
Eli, hush.
We call her Willy Wonka.
What?
Actually, Hope calls me like Willow Wonka.
Or Willis Wonka.
Willow Willis.
Willow Willis Wonka.
Podcast is so
Willy
sweet.
Willow Willis Wonka.
One time, my sister's friends like always called me Willie, so I cried because I hated it.
Yeah, it's kind of a good name.
Willy. I should
I don't
know
know
why.
why.
Like,
It's
imagine
negative.
Willy Wonka was like a girl.
Okay, Grant, what'd you get for A, B, and C on number 11?
I got for A, 1. For B, I got 8. And for C, I got -48.
Got that part right.
Okay, so negative B plus or minus the square root of B squared, 64 minus 4 times A times C
Yeah.
over 2 times A.
You should get like a fan.
Okay, 64 minus 4 times A times C.
It's 192, I know.
Um,
Not really. If I did my math, I think it's 192.
64 plus 192 is like what?
256.
256?
Yeah. I did my math. 16. Yes, big girl.
Square root of 16. So it's negative 8 plus or minus 16 over 2. Negative 8 plus 16 is 8 divided by 2. Or negative 8 minus 16,
Is
Right
it
now.
negative 12?
negative 24 divided by 2 is negative 12.
Good job. I did,
Okay, one more. Hopefully you guys already did it.
yes.
Yeah.
Oh, what's,
It's the same thing for all of them.
okay, what is A, B, and C? Hope
5, 4, 5,
5, negative 4, and 12. So the B term is the Y term, but it's on the wrong side, so you guys switch it. The C term is the 12, which is on the right side. The correct side, I should say. So you don't switch it. Alright, so negative B would be positive 4, plus or minus, square root of 4 squared, 16 minus 4AC over 2A. What'd you guys get for the square root? Is it 16 minus 240
Yeah.
is negative 224. Alright, what do we put when there's a negative in the square root? No, real,
I did it right.
solution.
Can I just put not real?
Yeah, I was thinking about that. Okay, there's 2 more. Oh, they're graphs. Remember I said 14? They're graphs.
We have to go.
You.
said it was the last
Yes.
one.
You have
Here, let me guys, let me give you guys some graph paper.
I know.
See, I don't even.
You guys don't
I
study
should get on it.
I do that in like study hall.
You're
I should get on it.
I don't know, that's from last year.
Procrastination.
Can I take a picture of this thing real quick?
Procrastinated on my
2, 4, 6,
science
8, 10.
presentation.
Your sister's going to Ed yet.
1, 2, 3.
I'll give you $1.02.
Bro, if Ed Sheeran had a sister and a brother named Josh.
That's enough to buy a cookie, Eli.
Yeah, no,
Yeah,
exactly.
you can fit a whole cookie with that.
Yeah, you even have to.
That's what goes.
Depends which one.
Yes, I
School
know.
cafeteria.
When,
That was-
But your cookies are fire. They look musky. Fire.
They're actually really good.
What about
They
like,
actually say tasty grist now.
what about, like,
Y'all are
for the math.
what about
What does
like,
my grandma
I
and
feel like you guys
July?
will listen to
Okay,
Your mom.
get started on the graph.
Which the graph.
Graph 13 and 14, those are the last two.
Is that like the weird YouTube?
The big. Oh yeah, we did this like a long time ago, like this year.
Okay, if anybody is talking or not working, they will lose points for the day. What?
So, how do we know, like, on the fractions, like, how do we know, like, to put x? Like, for what to, like, on what to put x?
Do you guys remember what the number in front of the x squared did?
Like,
Made it whoosh.
Skinnier or wider? But you don't really have to, it doesn't affect where the vertex is. Okay, what does the 1/2 do on this one?
it makes you go like up and
Makes it flatter.
oh,
What does the -1 do?
it's going down.
Makes the go 1 down. So where's the vertex at?
0, 1 down.
Why does it get so thin and then like thick?
Because it's whether I'm zoomed in or not. It's 1 down, so the vertex is at 0, -1.
And then we could go, like, 0, 1, 2, or,
Yeah.
okay. Does it matter? Or
You
no?
want to choose x values close to the vertex.
Okay.
You could plug in a bunch of random stuff until you figured out what it looked like,
That'd be 1, 0.
but
Would it be wrong if we did that?
not necessarily. If you figured it out eventually, I would give you credit, but you might get confused. Definitely starting with the vertex is the easiest way to do it.
Okay, this calculator makes more sense.
If you finish 13, 14, you can see 14 at the bottom. What are you looking for, the fraction button?
yeah.
They all have one.
Oh, wait, there's one. This thing has it?
Yeah.
There.
That little
Find
one,
it.
that little one had it too. It was just in the bottom left corner. Yes, or well, -3, -1. Remember?
These are always
So if you plug in 1, 1 squared is 1, times a half is a half, -1, -1/2. If you plug in 2, 2 squared is 4, times a half is 2, -1.
This one.
So where is 1 -1/2?
Right there.
Right there. 2, 1, you nailed it, Mason. And 2, 1 is right there.
I'm so smart.
And then the mirror image. So it's a little, whoops, it's a little bit broader than normal. Okay, last one. Where is the vertex? Not quite.
-3.
-3, -1. So actually, I'm gonna move this over here.
Wanna fix that?
You don't have to. It's just gonna fit on the graph better. Hope, what would be some good x values to plug in?
It's her turn.
Oh, Anna, what would be some good x values to plug in?
-2, -1.
-2, -1. You just want to stick close to the vertex.
You're welcome.
Blind test. I think I put pages on one. It's a little bad. These aren't that bad. Also, I almost.
They're not that bad.
There.
Yeah, trying to draw mine is like,
Alright, if you plug in -2, -2 plus 3 is 1, squared is 1, minus 1 is 0. You plug in -1 plus 3 is 2. 2 squared is 4, minus 1 is
Yup.
-2, 0, -1, 3. It's like that. Are you done? Did you survive? Think you're gonna graduate?
No, I think I'm gonna fail just this class.
yeah, literally same. That's my mood.
ACT.
Unless she's a senior, she took her final.
Wow. Sounds like so much fun.
The end.
I'm gonna go to
Alright,
college
guys,
for a good degree and then just retire.